Have you ever been transported to another time or place by the sound of a familiar melody or the rustle of leaves? We like to think of it as the magic of sound, a time machine that can whisk us away to cherished memories. Ah, the soothing symphony of crickets and the crackling warmth of a bonfire, soon to be your bright fire. It's a melody that echoes moments of peace, quiet and late nights filled with heartfelt conversations against the backdrop of nature's soothing sounds. Next memory. The joyful laughter of loved ones and the playful splashes of the kids in the pool. It embodies relaxation and the bliss of family, reminding us to cherish life's simple joys. And now, nature's symphony. You've conquered the mountain, reached its peak, and now you're greeted by a serenade of insects, birdsong, and the whispering wind. It's a moment to pause, breathe, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. The magic of sound has countless destinations, some tranquil, some lively. And at Forever, we invite you to seek refuge in our sensory playground. Let our curated soundscape transport you to recall old memories and make new ones. Book today and come and engage your senses at Forever Resorts.